This 2026 Jayco Seismic 413 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Longs, South Carolina 29568 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV North Myrtle Beach. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco and features Sleeps 8, Slideout. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom, loft, outdoor entertainment, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.